Hi, this is my first YouTube video. And if you are wondering why will she succeed, the reason is simple, clarity. I'm not here to try YouTube. I've committed 40 hours a week, 3 years. I've already proven that I could stay consistent. As a stay-at-home mom, I don't have so much free time, but in last several years, I've written more than 200 blog posts. In last 2 months, I wrote over 50 blog posts. The last 4 months, I've been waking up before 5 a.m. I taught myself computer science and once coded an assignment over 1,000 lines of code. I've changed my body in last 6 months. I even changed my personality. Now at 40, I'm walking through a true awakening journey. Clarity is a foundation of success. With clarity, you will feel motivated and you will become more focused. And you won't get distracted by all kinds of distractions. Setbacks don't throw you off. When the why is clear, the how becomes easier. Because I live in clarity, I've already mapped out how this channel will grow. I divide my content into 3 stages. Stage 1 is about habits and how-to-dos. I'm going to use system thinking to explain how body, mind, spirit are working together as a whole ecosystem. In stage 2, I'm going to expand to thinking models, mindsets, and insights from different subjects, different books, and different thinkers, and to use my own experience to explain how to apply them in everyday life. Stage 3, I'm going to explain my own frameworks, like my life architect system, my 7 levels of productivity, and my frameworks on love, awakening, and paradox. My aim is to build a growth system of holistic well-being, not growth and well-being in one domain, but across every aspect of our lives, like the physical well-being, financial well-being, mental well-being, spiritual well-being, energetic well-being, and mental well-being. My motivation comes from growth. I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I taught myself how to invest. And this year, my year-to-date return is over 40%. I learned system thinking by studying computer science, and I use it to design a life architect system that keeps my mind, body, and spirit working together. And I've gone through deep emotional transformation. I've healed all of my negative emotions and replaced them with trust, hope, gratitude, and love. That's why I know growth is possible, even when it looks ordinary from the outside. And YouTube is my next path of growth. And my dream is to write my awakening book, turn it into a movie, and use my story to inspire others. But here's the paradox of the dream. Whether they come true or not doesn't matter. Having the dream itself will motivate you to move forward, will give you courage to overcome so many difficulties, and give you energy to actually do the work every day. And Sun Tzu once wrote, "The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting." On YouTube, the real enemy is not the algorithm, not the competitor, it's ourselves. It's a fear, doubt, perfectionism, and distractions. But with clarity, you win without fighting. I've also been documenting my growth journey since 2018. Now I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and documenting my growth in video format, because for me, there's no finish line. And keep improving is my end game.